Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and I know this format is a little bit unusual because normally I just either upload a live or I upload a full video. But during my live portion today, it was very glitchy and my internet connection was not working. So unfortunately, you did not get to see the end product if you were joining in on my live or watching my live at a later time. So right now I'm just showing you what I did to finish up this cookie. In future, there is going to be a few more tutorials on how to make Masquerade cookies with different types of designs. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!